Okay, so we have this equation, and the first thing that we have to do is to find a basis to number 24. I can write, like that. Uh, 24 divided with 1 is 24. But I decide, to do something else just to just to train our brain, and because of that, I decided to do 48 divided with 2, because 48 divided with 2 is 24. Okay, so here I'm gonna write 248. Let's begin. Okay, so the only mostly numbers that I will able to devise all of those numbers is 20. So 20 divided with 4, it's 5. 5 multiplied to 16x. Now, I would like to make multiplied without any multiplied symbol. That is just to make sure that we are not gonna confuse them. Because of that, I'm gonna write 5 multiplied to 16x like that. Okay, 20 divided with -5, it's -4, multiplied to 2x with -4, equal to 20 divided with 4, it's 5. So 5 multiplied to 6x plus 8 plus 20 divided with 2 is 10, plus 10 multiplied to 48. Let's begin. So 5 multiplied with 16x, that's gonna be 18x. Plus 18, plus 18x, going to that way, going to the left way. -4 multiplied with 2x, that's gonna be -8x, also going to that way. And -4 multiplied with -4, that's gonna be plus 16, going to that way. I just remind you that when we multiplied negative with negative, that all will be plus, that all will be regular number. So because of that, -4 multiplied with -4 is plus 16. Okay, so then we have equal 5 multiplied to 6x, that's going to be plus 13x, going to that way, going to the left way. And 5 multiplied with 8, that's going to be plus 15, plus 14, going to that way. And 10 multiplied with 48, that's going to be 400 plus 480. 480 going to that way, going to the right way. And let's continue our journey. So, plus 18x with -8x. Now, I just have to change the 13 first, because everything after the equation, but it's supposed to everything before the equation, and because of that, I'm gonna change the force of 13, and plus 13x become to be negative 13x. Also, I change the force of plus 16 to negative 16 because everything before the equation is supposed to be everything after the equation. So, equal to negative 16. I just not able to change the force of plus 14 and plus 4800 because the rating after the equation were they supposed to rating. Because of that, I shouldn't change the force. So negative 6 plus 14 plus 418. Okay, that will be equal to x so plus 18 with negative 8 with negative 13 x, all of those x, that would be equal to 42. And negative 16 plus 14 plus 418, that will be equal to 504. Okay, so 504 divided with 42, that will be equal to 12. I also check here that 404 504 divided with 42, that will be equal to 12. So that says that x equal to 12. And that is how I will solve this puzzle. Now, just, I'll make sure that I'm not gonna make any mistake. So, so 4 multiplied with 12 4 multiplied with 12 with negative 2 multiplied to 12 with negative 4, 5, that's equal to 44. Now this number also equal to 44, let's say that 12 is the correctly answer. So, so 6 multiplied to 12 plus 8, 4 plus 24, that have to be equal to 44, and yes, that equal to 44, and that says that x equal to 12, and that is how I will solve these puzzles. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a puzzle with fraction with one variable. So we're going to learn how to solve the puzzle at fraction with one variable.